Welcome back to Triple X Learning. Today we have this question, that is 43 divided by 30 equal to a plus 1 upon b plus 1 upon c plus 1 upon d, where a, b, c and d are natural numbers. We need to find the value for a plus b plus c plus d. So what will be the value? First thing we need to look over here, that is 43 by 30. It is in the form of rational number, p by q format. So what is the use of this rational number? You can see this is addition of, you can say, two numbers, a plus and something, that one is also 1 divided by something. So here a is what? Natural number, and this one is what? In terms of fraction. So in terms of fraction, that is p by q, and that q is also in terms of natural number and the fraction, and that is also natural number and the fraction. So basically we have to find out all the natural numbers, sum of all the natural numbers. How we can proceed? So we are just going to change this fraction into natural number and the rational number. So we'll convert this one 43 by 30 into natural number and fraction. So here we can get, that is 43, that one is 43. Here we can write 43 divided by 30. This one can be write as 1 plus and 13 divided by 30. In this way we can write. Here we have a rational number. That rational number is converted into natural number plus and then rational number. So in this way we can convert. So this is going to compare with the given here a. So instead of a we have 1 over here, and the rest is here 1 upon something, but we have only 13 by 30. So we need to convert this one into 1 divided by something. So how we can change? So we can go through by this way, 1 divided by, and we can write 30 divided by 13. In this way we can write. And so we have, this is suppose a plus 1 divided by something, that is already over here. We have a divided by and something over here. So that one. So this can be changed, this can be right in this way, that is 43 divided by 30, and this one can be right as 1 plus 1 divided by 30 divided by 13. Now we need to make this one. This is also in this format. It is p by q, but we have to separate the natural number and the rational number. How? The process is same as we have done for 43 by 30. That one I'm just going to do over here. So it is coming 30, this one I'm going to change, so 30 and divided by 13. In this way we can write 30 by 13 in this way, 2 plus 4 upon 13, and this one can be also write as 2 plus 1 upon 13 by 4, and it is also in the rational form. So we need to separate the natural number and rational number from here. So we have 13, and 13 divided by 4 over here, and it is coming 3 plus 1 upon 4, and it is right in this way, that is 3 plus 1 upon 4, and on the last we can write here, that is 3 plus 1 divided by 1 upon 4. In this way, it is in the form of rational number. So same thing, we can put all the values over here. This one we had 30 by 13, so this one can be write as 1 plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 13 by 4, and this is further simplifying in this way, 2 plus 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. So obviously you can match with this one. Here we have all the values. This is 1 2 3 4, a plus something, and then we have b plus something, then we have c plus something, and on the last we have d. In this way, a plus b plus c plus d. So we can compare, and we have the values for a, b, c and d respectively. Those values are, for a we have 1, for b we have 2, for c we have 3, and for d we have 4. So addition of all these number is that we need to find the values for sum of all the natural numbers over here. So a plus b plus c plus d, and that is coming here 10. So here we have 10. So this is our solution. Sum of all natural number is coming 10 over here. Thank you so much for watching my videos. For latest upcoming, please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.